Alright, welcome. I thought I would give you another tour of the garage, which currently needs to lit up more, so let's open some doors. So these used to be divided into two, as you can remember from the first video. Is left side the best? I don't know. And I got rid of this side in one video, which opened up a lot of room. Meant that I could actually work on half a car, which is quite nice. But recently I took off all that side. My goal is to be able to open the door all the way without it hitting anything, so I can do it on the BMW now, which is quite cool. Gives me lots of room. I like to be able to do it on other cars, so this middle pole here will have to go at some point. Chop this bit down and do some extra bracing in so that it could support having this little attic space. So currently, because there's not much support there, I can't put much heavy stuff up there, so I need to brace that all up. And also this bit along here will hopefully be going. But once again, I need to order more wood. So the ideal plan is to get rid of this middle bit of wood. Support, we'll call it support, but the triangle support that holds the roof, truss, that all needs strengthened up, so need more wood, bigger wood, gotta cover it all up, and then I can just have a bigger, more open garage. Another thing that I did recently is put a can of oil in the way, cemented down all these flagstones. There's a bit more of a base on this side, so I put even more flagstones down here. There's more to go down, but since I moved this all over here, I need to take this all out. Other projects got in the way of that, but my goal is to have at least one side all the same level, because right now you're walking and then you step down, then you step back up. It's a bit inconvenient. This side, MR2 side, B left side, it didn't get concreted. As you can see, the MR2 is currently sitting on the blue tarp, which stops the water from seeping through. The plan is to get cement flooring at some point, but it is winter currently, so too cold for that sort of stuff. The issue is right now is because the MR2 is very low as well, I actually want to raise it up off the ground, put it on cinder blocks or something. The airflow is just not getting underneath that car. That's kind of the same for the BMW here as well, but it's not as bad. So the bike rack got moved as well. It's on this side now. I made the decision to basically do away with that door there. It can still open, but as you can see, I've actually got two cars in here. Yeah, the bike storage is pretty good. It's nice to have, and I can just exit straight through that door. As you can see, I've got some storage at the top there now. The plan is to fully wooden deck that all out, but right now this is kind of temporary. We're doing stuff at the house and I need space, so that's it. So I've got this nice bit of brace in here. I had to put a block of wood here so as I could just quickly get up. Yeah, the plans are get that all braced up with wood and then actually put a wood kind of floor up there. It's only going to be that big. Plan is that if I'm ever breaking a car, I can just fire stuff up there, forget about it, put it up on eBay, whatever, until they sell. But it's handy to know. It's lifted a few things off the floor, like silly stuff like this. I was using these the other day so they can go back up there. Tidies up the floor a bit because floor real estate is pretty low at the minute. Other plans to do at some point as well is there's obviously still no lighting in here, so I'm working with the daylight. I'm working with these strip lights, which are not the best. I'm thinking about a solar system setup, 2 panels on the top of the roof or something, like decent size wattage, controller, and then batteries. And so I would start off with like just LEDs, a few switches. Then I would like to charge up my Ryobi stuff as well. That would be pretty nice. Heat would be nice, maybe a diesel heat or something. Need some insulation in all the walls. I have been around with expanding foam. Just filled in all the obvious and easy bits. Made a massive difference, especially on the roof ridge line in there. We still have an issue with obviously damp coming in through the front of the door when it gets cold. It's a metal shed. Not very good for the cold. Solar setup would be nice. Take suggestions on that. I've looked into like the little outdoor light things, but I don't think they'll be any good, especially a lot of them only work in the dark. Plans are at some point as well is to build a desk that goes all the way along. I've measured the shelves. The shelves can sit in the corner there with the height of the desk that I'm wanting, so that would be perfect. And it would just I think the end kind of thing, the shelf would be a lot shorter as well, so it would give me a little bit more room to work with cars and stuff, and it would come all the way up to probably about one of the whole bays. But that's in the plans, so it is. As you can see, I've flagstoned the outside and also damp-proofed half of the outside walls, so that should be making it a lot better. So yeah, that's just kind of a wee update. There's been a few big kind of changes, small minor changes, and yeah, there's bigger plans coming as well. So eventually at some point I can do a bit more videos, but I've been kind of bad at filming stuff in the garage because I've just been doing it, so I have. I'm not going to waste your time anymore. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
This is a dangerous groups that we're dealing with now.